everybody, this is Tina. I'm based out in Hong Kong and I am recording this video from my kitchen. I guess recently you must have heard a lot of news about Hong Kong, but actually Hong Kong is famous for food. And a lot of our food is actually a mix of cultures between the West and the East. And today I'd like to introduce you to the egg tarts. So egg tarts are actually an afternoon snack for the Hong Kong people, I'd say especially in the older days. And it started around 1940s or 1950s when the Hong Kong is still a British colony. And at that time, there were a lot of adaptations of the English or European foods into the Hong Kong restaurants menu. The egg tarts kind of originated as a custard tart in the past, but at that time, because custard tart is made with cream and that ingredient is actually a very expensive ingredient in Hong Kong, so a lot of our chefs at that time actually reinvented it and adapted it and mixed it with eggs and water instead. There are two types of egg tarts, one that is made out of puff pastry, usually made out of lard, and the other one it is a pie crust, which is the one we're making today. And so do try to make this recipe at home if you'd like something a little sweet, and it is very, very simple and very easy to make. That's it from me. Stay safe and healthy and have a good day. Bye.